This is Madison, our 1980 TR8 test car. We will be showing you how to install the parts we sell. Thanks for watching and for your business.
Hi, I'm Brad with British Parts Northwest. Today we're going to change the headlight switch on Madison, our TR8 test car. Tools required: a Phillips screwdriver and a small blade type driver. Before working on anything electrical, it's best to disconnect the battery before you do it. First, we'll start by removing the front fascia plate that covers the switches. Then remove the rear fascia that holds the switches. Next, disconnect the wire harness. Then remove the switch from the rear fascia plate. Be aware the original Lucas switches are no longer available, and we have found that aftermarket switches can be slightly larger, so the fascia or the switch must be trimmed to fit. Reconnect the wire harness. Press back into place the rear fascia and reinstall the front fascia. Confirm your new switch works. Success.